beauties, welcome to Mugdad Studios. Andarki Namaskaram. I hope you're safe and sound. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput from Mugda back with a beautiful collection. So ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో నేను మీకు బ్యూటిఫుల్ కోరా బనారసీ సారీస్ చూపించబోతున్నాను. We have got lovely colors and చాలా sober colors and thread weave all over the body of the saree lo vacheyandi. So what I will do is I will show you the sarees and as and when you see the sarees meeku nachina sarees screenshot teeskoni immediately orders ki పంపించేసేయండి. So before I start showing you the sarees, let's have a look on the mannequin sarees now. Here's a beautiful blue color Kora Banaras saree andi. So you can see all over the saree we have this lovely thread weave. So beautiful thread work వచ్చాయి, జాల్ అన్నమాట లోపల fillings, and we have got this Banarasi border with silver zari. This is a very beautiful saree. Here goes a lovely pink color saree, Banarasi border, thread weave all over the body of the saree, pink color finishing, and here's a blue color saree with pink color border. మీకు బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీలో ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ ఇచ్చారు అండ్ పళ్ళులో క్రాస్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ ఆన్ ద కంప్లీట్ సారీ. అండ్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ ద కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ హియర్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ అండి ఫర్ యూ టు ప్లేస్ ది ఆర్డర్. సో మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని నెంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి అండ్ వీ విల్ అసిస్ట్ యూ ఫర్దర్. అండ్ గూగుల్ పే నెంబర్స్ మెన్షన్ చేశాము ఫర్ యూ టు మేక్ ద పేమెంట్ ఆన్లైన్. సో షాల్ వీ క్విక్లీ స్టార్ట్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద సారీస్ నౌ వితౌట్ టేకింగ్ ఎనీ మోర్ టైమ్. Here's a lovely saree. Look at this beautiful color. It's a kind of pink color andi, and you can see the border, golden zari border వచ్చాయి. కట్టి border తో lovely thread weave floral jal green color లో green color threads and body of the saree వచ్చేసి మీకు orange color thread work ఇచ్చారు. It's a very beautiful saree. And this is the pallu, and this is the blouse. Coming to the price of the sari, this is 4,999. Let me show you the saris which I have draped right now. This is a lovely lighter shade of pink color sari andi, chala sober color, and we have this beautiful thread weave flower motifs lo icharu and golden Banarasi border, and this is the pallu of the sari. It's a very beautiful color. Next saree chupistanu. This is a green color saree anamata. Beautiful thread weave andi. Jal motifs icharu. Borders are like thin borders, very small border. So pink color lo and golden lo cross lines golden zari work kuda icharu. This is Banaras Kora collection. This is the pallu. And we have this running blouse and mata. You can even wear a contrast blouse for the saree. Price is 4,999. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Here's a beautiful chocolate brown color saree with black colored border. Body of the saree lo మీకు చిన్న చిన్న mango booties ఇచ్చారు, thread weave, and we have also got golden zari work. You can see this beautiful booties, golden zari work too. Banarasi border, beautiful mango creepers, golden zari work too. This is a very beautiful color. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. Meeku running blouse icharu anamata for all these sarees. Price of the saree vachesi 4,999. So next saree chuseddam. Wow, this is also a very beautiful color. Complete saree lo meeku thread weave icharu. Small border which is of pink and golden zari border. వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్ శారీ అండి. మెటీరియల్ చాలా మెత్తగా ఉంది. సో మీరు ప్లీట్ చేస్తే కూడా సీ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ మెటీరియల్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, చాలా బ్రైట్ కలర్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఇస్ ద లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద పళ్ళు. బ్లౌజ్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్ అన్నమాట. ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సారీ 4,500. So let's have a look on the next sari. This is a blue color sari, sky blue color sari, and we have got lovely self thread weaving work icharu. Jal anamata, chinna border vacheyandi flower motifs tho, and we have this golden zari work as well. And this is the pallu, and blouse is like this. Coming to the price, this is 4,999. So we have got these sarees in very affordable prices andi. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి ఫర్ ఆర్డర్స్, and we will assist you further. And we are also shipping internationally, and we are shipping all over India. So let me show you the next sarees andi. So here goes a lovely Kora Banaras saree. This is an actually cream color anamata. Golden shade saree lo meeku beautiful thread weave icharu floral motifs lo.
Tissue.
This is a tissue saree andi. You can see this lovely floral jal and golden zari border. Chinna border icharu both the sides. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. Cream color contrast blouse. Price of this saree is 5,500. Next saree. Wow, this is a beautiful lighter shade of orange color saree anamata. And all over the saree we have got this chinna booties, tree motifs lo, silver zari work tho. It's a beautiful Kora saree, and we have got pink color contrast border. This side we have cross checks anamata, and left side we have florals and cross checks. Pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 5,999. Next saree chuseda. This is a golden saree. So this is a lighter shade of green tone icharu, and we have got this beautiful floral booties. So this flowers are like thread weave andi all over the body, complete body of the saree lo meeku thread weave lo floral booties icharu. Borders are golden zari border with lovely cross check motifs. And the pallu is like this. Blouse is like this. Coming to the price, this is 5,500. So next saree. This is an orange shade in stripes, silver zari work, beautiful Kora saree. And we have got this Banarsi border meeku zigzags and floral booties icharu. Banarsi border lo silver zari work to complete body of the saree, and the borders are with silver zari. So orange color saree lo meeku grey color contrast borders vachayi. Very beautiful combination. And this is the pallu. This is the blouse. Wow, we've got this green color contrast blouse in matter. Very unique color. Price is 5,999. Next saree. This is in green color. 3 motifs, floral motifs తో వచ్చాయి. గోల్డెన్ జరీ వర్క్లో సిల్వర్ జరీ ఇచ్చారు అనమాట. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ మీకు సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్ అండ్ బార్డర్స్లో గోల్డెన్ జరీ. సో గ్రీన్ విత్ పింక్ కలర్ బార్డర్, ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ అండ్ క్రాస్ చెక్స్. On the borders we have resham and golden zari work, and this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the blouse. Coming to the price of this sari, this is 5,999. So once again let me show you the contact information. So these are the numbers where you need to send us the screenshot of your favorite sari for you to start the order, and we will assist you further. సో మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని షేర్ చేసేయండి వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి, అండ్ వీ విల్ అసిస్ట్ యూ. అండ్ హియర్ గోస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సారీ ఇన్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గోల్డెన్ కలర్. వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ దిస్ లవ్లీ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్. లుక్ అట్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్. వెరీ ఎలిగెంట్ సారీ అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ గోల్డెన్ జరీ బార్డర్, బనారసి బార్డర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు and blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు this is the pallu, this is the blouse. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 5,500. సో ఈ సారీస్ కూడా బనారసి సారీస్ వచ్చేసి మీకు బ్యూటిఫుల్ అంటే సోబర్ కలర్స్లో వచ్చాయి. అండ్ since they are in sober colors, these beautiful flowers are getting highlighted. So చూడండి, in this we have this lovely blue color లో ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ వర్క్ అనమాట. దాంతోపాటు మనకి సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్ యాజ్ వెల్ ఆన్ దీస్ ఫ్లవర్స్. బోర్డర్స్ ఆర్ గోల్డెన్ జరీ వర్క్, క్రాస్ చెక్స్ అనమాట, క్రాస్ లైన్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. Very soothing colors అండి for the eye, especially for this summer season. ఏమైనా లైట్గా వేసుకోవాలని ఇష్టం అవుతుంది కదా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అనమాట, అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 4,500. వెరీ అఫోర్డబుల్ ప్రైస్ దీస్ కంఫర్టబుల్ సారీస్. సో ఇది వచ్చేసి గోల్డెన్ సారీ అనమాట. ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ వచ్చాయి అనమాట. బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీచ్ కలర్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. बनारसी बॉर्डर, cross checks. This is the pallu. This is the blouse, running blouse icharu. Price of this saree vachesi 5,500. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Wow, this is a very beautiful golden saree, and we have got this lovely floral booties, floral jal anamata. So lavender color flowers lo highlight చేశారు సారీని, and pink color leaf parts. Very beautiful thread weave. Looks amazingly beautiful, and Banarsi border, chinna border with jal. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse and mata. And the price of this saree is 5,500. Next saree. Beautiful pink color saree. And we have this beautiful floral booties. So golden zari work to and thread weave to chesaru. So look at this beautiful work. So this pink color saree, these flowers are beautifully highlighted, and the green color border, such a lovely combination. Banarsi border, lovely golden zari work too. This is the pallu of the saree, and blouse వచ్చేసి this is the blouse anamata. Beautiful contrast blouse ఇచ్చారు. Price of this saree వచ్చేసి 5,999. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ అండి. ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇస్ మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని నెంబర్స్కి షేర్ చేసేయండి. అవర్ సేల్స్ టీమ్ విల్ అసిస్ట్ యూ ఫర్దర్ అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద గూగుల్ పే numbers for you to make the payment online. Here's the next beautiful golden saree with blue color contrast border and orange color finishing. So we have this self-enclosed thread weave in this complete body of the saree. Just have a look at the details. Beautiful golden zari work to work icharu. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price of the saree, this is 4,999. Next saree, చూసేద్దాం. Wow, this is a pale yellow color saree and దీంట్లో beautiful floral booties highlight చేశారు. So lovely thread weave and golden zari work also. And yellow ki green color contrast border icharu. Very beautiful traditional border. So this is a beautiful combination, you know, of western and tradition. Banarasi border. And this is the pallu. This is the blouse. And the price is 5,999. Next saree. This is a lovely yellow color saree. So body మొత్తం thread weave work వచ్చాయండి. You can see this lovely design. So orange color saree లో మీకు yellow color thread weave ఇచ్చారు. Borders వచ్చేసి pink and orange color border. Banarasi border. You've got mango booties and orange color finishing, small border. It's a very comfortable saree andi. Like a very soft material. This is the pallu. This is the blouse and bata. Yellow color. Price వచ్చేసి 4,999. So let me show you the next saree. This is a very beautiful blue color saree, sky blue color saree. Very soft material andi. So complete saree lo meeku thread weave వచ్చాయి, which is of pure thread work. Jal motifs. Jal motifs లోపల మీకు fillings ఇచ్చారు. Floral silver zari work to fillings. Banarasi border, cross lines and zigzags. Navy blue color finishing. This is the pallu. Such lovely bright colors and sober colors lo vachai. This is the blouse. And price of this saree vachesi 4,999. Next saree. So this is basically orange color saree andi. Orange color saree lo meeku beautiful pink thread weave icharu and lopala golden zari work to fillings icharu. Jal booties, jal motifs, golden zari border, pink color finishing on the border. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Coming to the price of the saree. The price of the saree is 4,999. So these are the contact information where you have to share us the screenshots of your favorite saree for us to assist you further. And Google Pay numbers mentioned chesamu for you to make the payment online since it's an online order. Here goes the next saree in beautiful blue color. Golden zari border, zigzag booties. So we have this lovely thread weave all over the body of the saree. Cute, lovely small borders vachayandi on both the sides. Very beautiful saree. It will look very beautiful if you drape it. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, self blouse. Coming to the price of this sari, this is 4,999. Next sari. This is a lovely green color sari, Andy. And you have got this jal motifs. So you have got this thread weave all over the complete body of the sari, and even on the borders, along with golden zari border. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse and mata. Zigzags వచ్చాయి blouse lo. Minute work zigzags. Price of this saree is 4,999. Here goes the next color. Kora Banaras lo meeku chocolate brown color lo vachayandi. Same pattern, lovely jal motifs, and so we have got this thread weave all over the complete body of the saree and on the borders as well. And borders are in red and golden. Pallu. Blouse is like this. So minute work charu zigzags, and price of this saree vachesi 4,999. Next saree. This is a lighter shade of yellow color saree with pink color border. We have this complete thread work, thread weave all over the body of the saree. Leaf jal and mata. Pink color Banarsi border, cross checks vachai this side and this side floral jal. Pure golden zari work too. Very beautiful saree this is. Pallu. Blouse is running blouse and mata. Price of the saree vachesi 4,999. So here goes the next saree, Kora Banaras. So meeku sky blue color saree vachayandi. So it's a little transparent saree which is beautifully highlighted with these flowers. So you can see blue color flowers. So complete thread weave and mata, and golden zari work kuda icharu. Local fillings. Beautiful small Banarsi border, cross checks, local fillings, golden zari work. Pallu is like this. Blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. Blue color lo, lighter shade of blue color, and we have this cross checks brocade blouse. 4,500 is the price. Here goes the next saree, Andy. It's a lovely orange color saree. Meeku jal motifs vachai, golden zari border, and body of the saree lo meeku polkas kuda vachayandi golden zari work tho. Beautiful polkas and golden border. Very soft material. Pleats kuda veskochu. Completely set అయిపోతుందండి. Even if you make the pleats and single pallu kuda veskochu. This is the pallu. Blouse is like this. Contrast blouse and mata. 4,999 is the price of this saree. So మీకు నచ్చిన saree screenshot తీసుకొని share it to us on these WhatsApp numbers for placing the order, and we will assist you further. Google Pay numbers are mentioned for you to make the payment online. Here goes the next saree in lovely sky blue color. Mango booties వచ్చాయి. Complete saree lo meeku thread weave వచ్చాయి. Borders, lovely borders you can see. Small border, very cute border. This is the pallu. Very beautiful material under the sarees. This is the blouse and mata. Price of this saree is 4,999. Let's have a look on the next saree now. This is a beautiful yellow color saree and mata. Red saree lo yellow color thread weave వచ్చాయి. Beautiful creepers వచ్చాయండి. Looks like stripes. Cross lines on the border with golden zari and temple booties. Here we have got temples, cross lines and beautiful florals. Yellow color finishing. Pink color border. Pallu is like this and mata. Blouse is like this. Price of the saree is 4,999. Next saree. This is a lovely grey color saree andi. Green color contrast border. Floral booties. Green Banarasi border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. Chala grand blouse వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట for this light sober color saree. Price of this saree is 5,500. Here goes the next color, orange color. Pink lo మీకు orange thread weave వచ్చాయండి complete body of the saree lo. Borders, you can see this lovely border, medium size border. Cross lines and florals and temple booties. Very beautiful saree this is. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. And the next saree, the price of the saree is 4,999. So that was the last saree andi from our beautiful Kora Banaras collection. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us. Let me show you the contact information once again. So please share us the screenshot of your favorite sarees on these numbers. You can use any one number and our sales team will be there to assist you further. And GPay numbers mention chesamu for you to make the payment online. And we are also shipping globally. So international courier services kuda available only. So that's all for now. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput from Mugda signing off as of now. I will get back to you with another collection soon. So please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.